Welcome back, McFall Farms. I'm Bo McFall, and today we are going to be installing a new mailbox with post using the Sika Pro Select fence post mix. It's a two-component chemical reaction expansion epoxy, essentially, that will hold the post in place. It's kind of a neat product. Never used it before. Want to give it a shot, so let's get right to it. Today, as I said, we're going to be installing a new mailbox post and mailbox. Since we've now sold our house, moved out here to the metal building conversion on the farm, and are working on that. I realized after about 3 months, sometimes you have to have a mailbox to get some mail. Everything can't go to my P.O. box, which I prefer, but just doesn't work that way. So I'm going to show you a few things we're going to be using today. Today, we will be using the Sika Pro Select fence post mix. It tells me throughout the instructions there is a barcode up here that you can take a picture of with your camera phone, and it will, or go over that with your camera phone, and it will take you to a link outlining how to use it. Must have safety glasses in lieu of goggles, disposable gloves. Already assembled the mailbox and post. Then this 4x4 is what we will be setting in the ground and slipping that black mailbox post over and attaching it. Got our post hole diggers, a level to get the post level, and our cordless DeWalt drill to install all the screws, which I've already done on the mailbox assembly, but I'll have to mount it to the post. I'll leave links below to all these different tools and items we use today. In the event you need to grab something up, there'll be some Amazon affiliate links there. We appreciate your support. So let's ride up to the front and get this installation underway. Here's the goats out there enjoying this wonderful day. And here's our ride up the driveway to the front. There's the buck pen here in the front, and the bucks there patiently waiting. Alright, we're here at the front of the driveway, and I have to be honest, a little bit of a ride. We're on the side by side, my son's side by side actually, which is wonderful to have around the farm. And hopefully I brought everything we need to get this installation done. You can see here behind me there is a row of mailboxes for all the folks that live out here currently. And we're going to put ours in that row somewhere. Well, I got to figure out what's the best place, and we'll get it installed. First step is dig the hole. You don't want to use a pair of post hole diggers. Here you go. About 20 inches, 24 inches. So we're using the Sika Pro Select fence post mix. It's got arrows on the bag, a seal in the middle. You roll this up, it breaks that seal. Mix this together 15 seconds. Cut this edge off, dump it in the hole, level your post. It expands super quick. So we gotta be ready to use this stuff. So I'm gonna move right along. Alright, so that's about 15 seconds. Cut this end off. Show you in the hole, but I can't. You'll see it coming up out the bottom. It's filling that entire hole cavity up. And it hardened in about 3 minutes. It's like an expansion foam material. Filled that hole, that entire hole up. The nice thing about this, instead of trying to pack dirt, it's actually expanding to fill the hole and bonding itself to the post and the surrounding earth. The other great thing is there was no concrete to mix. I'll leave a link to this product down below. It's anywhere from $10 to $15 a bag. One little pouch will do one hole. Once this sets up, I'm going to take that ride back to the barn and get my cordless chainsaw to be able to hack this post off the right length. Pretty insane how much expansion that does. You can see it's probably a good 8 to 10 inches out of the hole climbing the post. So that post is level and will be set very solid. As I said, I'll have to trim it down. It's a little tall. And then we'll set the plastic post there to the right over the top of it and attach it, anchor it in place. Alright, so it's basically fully expanded. I'm just going to use a pocket knife to go around the edge and cut the edge off. See it. Still warm because of chemical reaction. But it's just a foam type product that locks it all in place. The base of the post. That is, turn that off there. That's the post install. Basically just a big foam mushroom. Get that cleaned up. Step is 4x4 only comes up to about here. So we're going to measure that off, cut this post off. Just going to make a mark with the pocket knife. One of my favorite tools on the farm, Makita 36-volt cordless chainsaw. Safety first. One cut, we're done. You'll certainly see how well that foam expanded and held that post. It's locked in like concrete. We'll slide that over, 4 screws in the back, and we'll have it wrapped up. Use the 4 screws provided from the manufacturer. We walk cordless screw gun. The impact was in another vehicle, but I love the impact. This is the screw gun. We'll go place 4 screws right here in the back side. That's the material fully expanded and cut down. And there's our mailbox, mounted and ready to go in the line of other boxes. That's basically it. Everything's in, done. We'll throw some stick-on numbers on it, clean up, call it a day. So we greatly appreciate you following us. If you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, place some links up above to some other great videos. We don't want you to miss a thing. Thanks for following us on the journey.